I started taking it a couple years ago. Did some research, and there's a doctor at Harvard with a group of people. I'm not going to mention any names, but you can certainly Google it or you find it on YouTube or something to that nature that had done some studies as far as longevity goes and what makes you live longer. And it has something to do with your mitochondria, which you have over 9 trillion cells a day that are being duplicated, replenished every day, 9 trillion cells. And he did some studies with some mice to where, he had 100 mice without these particular supplements, which I'm talking about, such as NMN, which is a precursor or follows NAD, which is has to do with revitalizing your mitochondria. And then he had a resveratrol, which a lot of people have heard of the resveratrol, which is kind of the grape seeds, like drinking 500 glasses of wine a day, except without the alcohol. Okay, and then they had some astaxanthin, which crosses the blood-brain barrier. They're doing studies with it that improves eyesight and helps with the skin and has a bunch of free radicals to where people were even that were working at the facility that were on this astaxanthin, even in Hawaii, were going surfing and stuff like that, and noticed they weren't getting sunburn, even though they weren't put on sunscreen. So that's just 3 of the 8 ingredients that I'm talking about that I have in here. And I've been taking that for a couple years, but I did notice that at one time I used to have knuckle pain, finger pain, kind of arthritic, if you will, probably inflammation is what I attribute it to. And that's gone away. So now I feel good, lots of energy, going skiing in November for a few days with my grandson. I'll be 66 in next May, by the way. I have a twin brother that's not on this regiment. Hasn't been on there, and he's got two new knees, a new shoulder, and one less kidney than I do. So coincidence, possibly. Lifestyle, maybe, but I attribute most of it to this RegenaLux and this RegenaPack that I'm taking. So from that standpoint, I'm happy with it, and I can certainly tell when I don't take it, because I did go on a trip not too long ago and forgot it, and after about 3 or 4 days, I started saying, what's going on here? So anyways, that's my story.